Why did any of that matter? It doesn't. Betty on the back. Girl, oh my God, this is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 2 of October 2019 box week. Okay, did you just check out that intro? Look who's got a new phone, and now she knows what month, the day of the week, and the year that we are in. Also, if you're like brand new to the channel, you're like, why did any of that matter? It doesn't, unless you've been a part of the YouTube family here for a while. Also, that brings me to my next point. If you're watching this video and at any point you're thinking like, wow, I wanna be in their little YouTube fam, just hit that red subscribe button. If you don't want to miss a video, hit the little bell. I guess that notifies you when I post a video. I'll be real with you though, like 1 week a month you're gonna be really annoyed because it's like a new video every single day. And basically box week is the best week every month. It's 1 week where we spend 7 consecutive days together. I open up all my subscription boxes. I'm excited because this month we are going to be posting at the end of box week. We're gonna be posting a video giving away this box. I don't even know everything that's in here. I know there's like a ton of face masks. I know there's like a full size like eyeshadow palette. There's like a whole bunch of there's like a lot in here. Like honestly, this box is dope. And at the end of this week, I will be posting a video telling you how you can win this box. So today we're gonna be opening up Ipsy. Ipsy is a monthly subscription box. Now they have a couple different versions of it. I get the Glam Bag Plus, I upgrade. I used to get the basic Ipsy, which is like you get like 5 items, little size things for 10 bucks a month. This bad boy is like 25. It comes out to be like $26.50 with taxes. Included. If you're checking this out and you want to check out Ipsy for yourself, I have a referral code down below in the description box of this video. Click on it and you can try Ipsy for yourself. Okay, so I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here. It took me forever to get started on this video tonight because I couldn't find John Wayne anywhere. I was like, John, where are you, dude? We can't do the video without you. Found him. Anyway, so I'm going to be opening this up. And I've noticed, did you guys notice that the box is different? So Ipsy must have seen my videos where my boxes were coming half open. I tell you what, this box is sealed shut. Like it is like locked and loaded. I don't know if they changed the design for any reason specifically, but I will tell you this box itself came shut, wasn't open, half the side wasn't ripped open. So that's cool. Alright, so I'm going to open it up. On the top here, it says discover yourself. It has like some orange foamy stuff on the top there. Alright, let's just open it up. Oh, I also want to point out, Ipsy this month, they gave me the option to pick one of my items. So I do know one of the items I get. I usually don't look to see when I'm getting my boxes so you guys can see my reaction, surprise, and excitement. So they actually let me pick one of my items. I think I picked an eyeshadow palette, obviously, because I'm an eyeshadow palette person. So the first thing we have is, yeah, it is a Betty Boop That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at this. Now I didn't really look so much at the colors. All I saw was eyeshadow palette and Betty Boop, and I was like, I'm doing that. I'm gonna get that, see what's going on with it. Alright, so inside of this we have, oh, this is cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. And it's plastic. It is a plastic case, as you can see as the light was reflecting off of it all crazy. Oh my God, these shadows are cute. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Can you see that? Look at this. Look at those shadows. Those are real cute. Alright, I'm gonna try and swatch them. If I can get my coat up. I don't know why I'm wearing so many coats right now. It's that time of year where I'm just like, I'm gonna wear coats all the time. Alright, I'm gonna swatch this. I don't know what brand this is, to be honest with you. I don't know what brand the eyeshadow palette is. I didn't really look at that. I guess I could look and see. I will say these aren't really swatching that heavy. Like they're pretty light. So I'm guessing you're gonna really have to reinforce them a lot. Probably gonna have to use like a glitter glue adhesive. Almost all of the shadows in here are actually like, it's got a little bit of shimmer in them, and they're a little bit more of like a, I can't think of what the formula is right now, but it's just like, it's weird. Like it's an interesting formula, but they are pretty light. So I will say that, like it's not swatching super deep, but it's not like bad. I don't know. Okay, so that's something we'd have to do, buildable coverage. The next thing that we have is, oh, Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. Oh my gosh, I actually need bronzer. I need bronzer! This is so exciting. I really did. Like I was recently thinking, I was like, you know, I'm starting to run out of bronzer and I need that. I also need chapstick. And don't clock me in the comments to be like, Drew, why would you not go buy chapstick? Because I didn't yet, and I'm just holding out because I was like, it's box week. I might get some chapstick or lip balm because they know it's cold outside, so you never know. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at these 3 bronzers. So I will say that this, I don't know if they had like a different shade selection for people with like lighter skin tones. I mean, for me, some of these are actually kind of dark, but I mean, I can work with them and build on them a little bit. But these are a little bit darker shades for a bronzer palette. I mean, I like it though. I'm gonna work with it. I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna swatch these. I mean, they're bronzers. I don't think I need to swatch bronzers. I don't know. I just feel like that's a lot. That's a lot of work. Next we have Be Beautiful Be You Farah brushes. Oh, these are pretty. Oh my God, look at these. Guys, I might actually keep everything in this box this month. These brushes look amazing. I'm gonna set this to the side. I like how they have like these ergonomical grips on them. I'm gonna set these to the side to look at them to see like what they actually are for specifically. Next up we have Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator Anti-Age. Okay, so this, I actually have this, so I'm gonna put this into the giveaway. I love this stuff. This is an amazing, amazing exfoliator, and it's like a really, really like high-end brand of skincare products. So I am putting this in the stockpile giveaway. And then it looks like we have, what do we have here? Trestique Powder Stick All Over Starlighter. What? Ultraviolet. What's going on here? I just want to see what this looks like. I don't even know. See, it says ultraviolet. If this is like a purple color, I can't really hang with that. Some kind of like powder, like highlighter. I'm just trying to see. Oh my gosh. That's cute. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at it. It's really pretty. It's like holographic, like pinky purple light tones. Okay, I'm actually gonna just close this up. I didn't touch it. I'm gonna put this into the stockpile giveaway. I think that is so nifty. This box is good. I am so impressed with Ipsy right now. Like, I actually am like really, really impressed. Like, this box is like amazing. So the only thing I wanna know is, oh, there's something else. They put a bag in here, guys. They put a bag, a sequin bag. Oh my gosh. You know, that was one of the things I know people were upset about. Ipsy like wasn't giving bags out anymore. You're like, I'm paying all this money. I got a bag. Ooh, with a red inside. Oh, this is hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's got Betty on the back. Girl. Oh my God. This is amazing. Like, I'm really happy because I felt like the box is coming open was a little bit extra, and I'm really, really impressed. Okay, so really quickly, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. It is, it says it's $79. Well, we're putting this into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Lovecraft bronzer palette right here, which is valued at $30. The Trestique Starlighter Powder Stick, which is, where did I put that? Oh snap, where did I set that? Hold on. Dang it, all right, here it is. Then Ultraviolet, this is valued at $18. This is going into the giveaway as well. And why do I feel like my camera's crooked? Hold on, I'm gonna move this a little bit. That's crazy. All right, and then we got the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, which is valued at $30, which is right here. Again, like I said, this kind of needs like some buildable coverage. Like, I like it. It's just like it needs a little some, you know what I mean? It's one of those things. And then we got the Farah Midnight Trio brushes. So these are, I just want to know what kind of, so they're a cheek brush, a highlighter brush, and a foundation brush. Ooh, very, very cool. And those, I fell on the floor actually, and those are right here. And actually, you know what? I think I'm going to put these into the stockpile giveaway. I like the handles on them, but I actually was wondering if one was more like a bronzer, and it's not. So I'm going to put these into here as well. And our stockpile giveaway is like already full, and it's the first day of box week, so I'm actually really excited. As well as we did get the Betty Boop bag here. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you aren't part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of box week. Already talked to you. Love you. Goodbye. Like, I don't know like what I should be picking out. So the cool thing is you go on Sip Spy, you create a profile, and they send you teas based off of like your preferences and things that you like. So that's kind of what I mean.